Hey guys, in today's news update I want to talk about lowering systolic blood pressure to 120 lowers the risk of mental decline. Now just as a reminder, the systolic number is the top number. So for a BP reading of 120 over 70, the systolic number is the top number, or 120. This is Arnold Broad here for Healthy at 60 Plus. If you have any questions about this video, just call or text me at 609-410-4790. Now let's see what we have today. Hypertension is a highly prevalent condition that affects 60 to 70% of people who are older than 60. New research shows aggressive lowering of systolic blood pressure to 120 significantly reduces the risk of mild cognitive impairment, called MCI. It means that blood pressure control is not only good for the heart, but good for the brain, according to Dr. Williamson, who said at a press briefing at the Alzheimer's Association International Conference. MCI is not trivial, said Dr. Williamson. It can have a significant impact on the quality of life, especially in an increasingly complex society. Patients with MCI may have difficulty with activities of daily living, including interacting with family members. Aggressively treating blood pressure is something we can do today through diet and exercise, and with hypertension drugs that are already available. For those that follow my YouTube channel or my newsletter articles, know that I strongly believe in lifestyle changes along with supplementation. Medication should be a last resort, not the first intervention of choice. For those interested in what I do to keep my blood pressure at around 120 over 70, then just follow the link below this video to my BP repair page. If you have any questions about that page or this video, just call or text me at 609-410-4790. To be informed of new videos, just subscribe to my channel and click like for this video. I want to thank you for stopping by today and watching this video. To view other videos about this same topic, just click on either of the two video links above. Again, thanks for stopping by, and here's to your good health.